Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about Ethereum USDT trading pair with my customer Krisa. What's happened yesterday and how it affects the upcoming moves for Ethereum. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, just a few words about yesterday accident with Bybit. Take a look. So now everybody just scream, it's over. It's over. Take a look. So February, 3rd February, just in one 12-hour time frame, we dump it 26%. And yesterday, the biggest hack in centralized exchanges history, we dump it 8%. But here, nobody screaming we're going to zero. But after yesterday hack, everybody complained, and yes, the Ethereum is a scam, the Bybit is a scam, so we're going down. It's a FTX chapter 2 for FTX. It's kind of weird how people are so emotionally react on some moves like this one. And also, for me, it's kind of weird why the price moved only 8% down on the biggest hack, 1.5 billion. 1.5 billion. So the hacker stole the 1.5 billion worth Ethereum from the Bybit. Next moment, what I want to say, it's you can rarely find the referral links to the Binance from the influencer. And it's kind of interesting because everybody after FTX complain about, oh, Binance next. Then the CEO into prison, you remember, right? And they start shield the info. So yes, this is the beginning of a collapse of the Binance. The era of Binance is over. And everybody shield the Bybit, the Binks, and all other exchanges because of that. Exchanges give the good perks, for influencer, for referral links. And everybody shield the Bybit. So trade is here. It's the best platform ever, So safest platform ever. And what's at the end we got? With Binance in the last 3 years, everything okay. But with Bybit, they stole the 1.5 billion in one single few minutes. Everything we see around the crypto Twitter, it's just marketing and promo, the ads. First of all, keep your funds not on centralized exchanges, the main funds, the portfolio. Portfolio should hold on wallets. One thing. Next one, on exchanges, you can hold the money where you trade on the spot or on the futures just for intraday or swing trades. That's it. It doesn't matter. It's Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, Gate.io, or Binks. Absolutely doesn't matter. So it's just logic, right? And there is no good or bad exchanges. All of them are the same. Any exchange can be hacked. I don't know why the people screaming too much about Ethereum going to 1K now. So what the reasons? Yes, of course, the hacker can start selling the Ethereum. Why the hacker cannot start selling the Ethereum at a higher price targets? Why not? Why just not wait 3 months and sell at the new all-time high? So what's the point? If you got 1.5 billion, right, and you can just spread between the wallets, then wait a few months, market calm down, and here you can get like in May or in April, 3 billion from nothing. Imagine 3 billion. So guys, I don't think so that Ethereum going to zero or so with this hack. Imagine if the hacker stole the, I don't know, a BTC. So everybody start complaining the BTC going down to zero or what? What I don't like on a chart, I don't like this liquidity pool. So when we leave the liquidity pool like this one, 1, 2, 3, anyway, sooner or later, we will come back and sweep that liquidity pool. So it's just a matter of time. Now or later, after all-time high, it will happen. Like this one, and going down. So it will happen anyway. Next moment is a weekly time frame. Next moment, so still the same zone of fixation, sum of profit. So it's 4K 200, 4K 425, this block. And new all-time high. And my take for Ethereum still the same. It's around 6K 825. So around this block, it's all-time high for Ethereum, and we're going down into bear market. When it will happen, I don't know. I don't think so. This is the end of cycle for Ethereum, and we from this current price is going down to 27 block again. But the zones absolutely relevant. For Ethereum BTC, it's for everyone who waited the altcoin season, and including myself. So we leave liquidity pool here. I hope we bounce it. Now we can see we reject this liquidity pool, like rejection now. And I hope we can go higher. Because anyway, also, sooner or later, all of this liquidity and compression, at least 50%, like I showed you on take profit indicator, to here take profit, exit line will be tested. So we trade at fair value of Ethereum BTC trading pair, and we can see something like this one. This is going to be the end of altcoin season. So that's it. It's on a weekly time frame, and daily take profit. Here we tested perfectly buy line. Can we drop again to the buy line? Yes, of course. It's 0.022 from our value at 0.01673. So that's it. But I don't see any reason why. On this news, what happened with the Bybit, I don't know. So technically with Ethereum USD on the Bitstamp, it's a global chart. What do we analyze it here? What's going on now with indicator set? Technically it was sell, buy back, pump, no signal to sell, drop, formed the actual lows. So buy line on weekly. Now it's $1K783. Daily time frame, we already tested this line. Buy line on the daily, it's 2K200. And for my value, it's 1K600. So if you wait the targets, you can wait and add limit orders. Take profit line, it's 4K391. Exit line, 4K957. So this current moment. 12 time frame looks like this one. So yes, we're going down. So now test the buy line, bounce, consolidation. So if we're going down, yes, we can drop to sweep that liquidity pool again to 2K. And hold the line or not. And so the next bullish target is 3K996. Exit line 4K521. This is it for these two indicators, and this one, money power market mood. Here, what I don't like here, it was the logical two bearish divergency, RSI and the MACD. Money outflow, drop. Now no new money inflow. All right, got it. And here daily, imagine how the mood and the sentiment change so quickly. Take a look. The last time we traded in disbelief, it was the February 2023. We traded that time around 1K and 500. Now we traded 2K 684, and this is the same disbelief. So it's kind of interesting, right? How the crowd sentiment works, right? The last two indicators direction are easy. Here was time to distribute your Ethereum, drop. Now no new signal for accumulation like it was here in January 2023. The biggest accumulation was here. And for me, it's kind of weird how long we trade in this just a global range. November 2021, June 2022, and so we not form any divergence or here or here. We just trade in a global range. Impulse, range, and should be one more impulse. And here was accumulation, and we trade in the range. So for me, it looks like we have to see one more impulse up. And my target's still relevant. So anyways, sooner or later, guys, I think we will see the money outflow from the BTC into altcoin. But I'm not build some crazy dreams about the super cycle, no. Everything will be not so positive, but with a good gain. So that's why build your entry and build your exit more conservative price target. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write this in the comment. What do you think about Ethereum? Do you think we go down to 2K to 1K700 or we go into new all-time high? If you like to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write Mariam, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.